There's a lot of great community hospitals that take care of people, but in order to advance medicine, be on the cutting edge, you need to be working with the researchers, the people that are creating the new technologies, the new ideas, the new therapies, and then have the clinicians that can implement those. And so it's really a necessary ingredient to advance medicine and continue to promote the greatest care that's available to patients. I started a company called ClearCam a couple years ago. This little device, the Kelling device, it originated out of an engineering class at the University of Texas. I brought the problem to them and they came up with some solutions. A laparoscope is used every day, thousands of times in surgery around the country for minimally invasive surgery. So this goes into the patients through what's called a trocar. That's attached to a camera, which is then attached to a video screen, which we're watching during surgery. And that's how we see what we're doing during surgery. Well, the end of this lens gets dirty very commonly during surgery. What our product just simply fits over the laparoscope and fits through the trocar that goes into the patient's body. And then during surgery, instead of having to remove it when it gets dirty, whoever's holding the camera can just turn the knob and that cleans the tip like that. And then you can continue surgery uninterrupted. It's a 1 or 2 second interruption versus a 30 to 45 second interruption. You don't lose your visual field, you still see your instruments, and you just kind of keep going. It's kind of analogous to a windshield wiper on a car. Instead of pulling over and wiping off your windshield every minute or two, you just have a windshield wiper and have a clear vision the whole time. The development of the Medical Innovation District is kind of one of my big motivations. It's very exciting to me. It's kind of like a medical version of Silicon Valley that you see in California, where you have a lot of startup companies developing, and you have all the pieces that's necessary for that. So you have the talent, the ideas, but you also have venture capital, you have the intellectual property attorneys, you have the manufacturing to produce products. The connection between this device and the development of an innovation district here in Austin is that I think it's a great little example of what we can do and how we can scale this. I think Austin is ripe for it. People are coming here, obviously, by the hundreds every day. There's a lot of young talent, particularly on this campus with the new medical school and the great engineering school we have, great business school we have, all within a few block radius. So it's a perfect environment to set up a medical innovation district. Philanthropy is important to accelerate new products, new ideas, new concepts, and build a world-class innovation district here in Austin.